Frozzy na Seachtaine 83. Play and pause this video as you move down the page. You must get out of your chairs and do the actions. By Friday, try to answer the questions without actually looking at the answers. Bon, quer, benucht. Cén lá é inniuv an lún. Conas atá an aimsir, tá sé fuair. Cad a bhain tú díot ar maidin. Bhain mé má pidseamí díom ar maidin. Cad a cuir tú ort an sin, cuir mé má éadaí scoile orm. Cad a bhainigh tú díot a nucht, bhainigh mé má éadaí scoile díom. Cad a cuirigh tú ort a nucht, cuirigh mé má pidseamí orm. What day is it today? Today is Monday. But if it's Tuesday, you'd say on Vort. How is the weather? It's cold. What did you take off this morning? I took my pyjamas off. What did you put on then? I put my school clothes on. What will you take off this evening? I will take my school clothes off. What will you put on this evening? I will put my pyjamas on. You need to know the days of the week. On Luan, on Vort, on Éadaí, on Éadaí, on Ina, on Sahern, on Downach. Fuair, cold, green verse sunny, Wafer windy, Scamalach cloudy. A cor báistí raining. A cor sneachta snowing. Notice with the question it's cad a bhain tú díot. So in the answer it's bhain mé díom. Díot becomes díom. To take something off you use díot and díom. Cad a cuir tú ort. You use quer in your answer and ort becomes orm. For future tense, cad a bhainfidh, what will you take off? We put in this FIDH, a hig. For what will you put on? Querhig. FIDH makes it future tense. Even though we have a H in the question, cad a bhainfidh, in the answer there's no H. H in the question, cad a querhig, in the answer there's no H.